Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to your Cash App account. This process also works for other cryptocurrencies, but in this guide, we'll focus on Ethereum. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand that you can't send crypto directly from Trust Wallet to Cash App. Cash App only supports Bitcoin and a few selected coins natively, so we'll use Binance as a bridge between the two platforms. Open your Trust Wallet and find Ethereum. Tap on the Send button. Now, switch to your Binance app or website. Tap on Deposit and choose Ethereum as the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Select the correct network. For Ethereum, choose the ERC20 network. Then copy the deposit address shown on the screen. Go back to Trust Wallet, paste the Binance deposit address, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send, and confirm the transaction. It might take a few minutes for the transfer to complete and show up in your Binance wallet. Once your Ethereum arrives in Binance, it's time to convert it into USD. Open the Binance app, tap on Convert, select Ethereum as the coin you're converting from, and choose USD as a target currency. After conversion, go to the P2P trading section in Binance. Tap on Sell, choose Cash App as your payment method, and pick a trusted vendor with a good exchange rate. Enter the amount you want to sell and provide your Cash App username, also known as your cash tag, and your email address. Double check the details before confirming the sale. Once the vendor sends the money to your Cash App, you'll get a confirmation notification. This usually takes around 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the vendor's response time. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Cash App using Binance as a middle platform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy crypto tutorials.